best trimmers. The growing popularity of string trimmers stems from the increasing desire among homeowners and landscapers to maintain clean, manicured lawns without the hassle of gas-powered equipment. Battery-powered models offer eco-friendliness, low noise, and convenience, making them appealing for beginners and pros alike. In this guide, we evaluate the best string trimmers based on battery life, trimming power, build quality, multifunctionality, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your yard. List 1. Worx String Trimmer Cordless GT3.0 20-volt PowerShare 12-inch edger and weed trimmer, 2 batteries. The Worx GT3.0 is a lightweight yet powerful cordless string trimmer, ideal for medium-duty yard work. With 2 20-volt PowerShare batteries included, you can easily swap one out for uninterrupted runtime. The 12-inch cutting diameter is perfect for maneuvering around tight spaces, flower beds, and fences. The GT3.0 easily converts into an edger with its rotating head and guide wheel, ensuring clean lines along sidewalks and driveways. A telescopic shaft and adjustable handle provide ergonomic comfort. List 2. Worx GT Revolution 20V 12-inch string trimmer, grass trimmer edger mini mower. The Worx GT Revolution is an upgraded take on a classic, offering 3-in-1 functionality: string trimmer, edger, and mini mower. Powered by a 20V battery and built with a 12-inch cutting path, this trimmer delivers efficient, clean cuts for most suburban lawns. What sets it apart is the adjustable spacer guard and pivoting head that easily tackles hard-to-reach spots. Its rubberized wheels add mowing precision. List 3. Worx GT Revolution 20V 12-inch string trimmer, grass trimmer edger mini mower. Although similar to the previous model, this variant of the Worx GT Revolution may come bundled with different accessories or batteries depending on the seller. It maintains the same great performance with its 3-in-1 design, 12-inch cutting width, and variable handle settings for all-day comfort. What makes this model a fan favorite is its ultra-lightweight build paired with powerful cutting capacity, making it suitable for women, seniors. List number: MZK 20V 12-inch cordless string trimmer, brass trimmer, and edger with 8 replacement spools. The MZK 20V 12-inch cordless string trimmer is a budget-friendly and practical solution for homeowners looking for a simple yet effective trimmer. It offers a dual-function design, switching easily between trimming and edging with a 90-degree adjustable head. The 8 included replacement spools are a standout feature, providing long-term use without frequent repurchasing. Lightweight and compact. List number: BLACK+DECKER String Trimmer Weed Whacker with Auto Feed Weed Eater. The BLACK+DECKER String Trimmer is a well-rounded, efficient yard tool with a 13-inch cutting swath and an automatic feed spool (AFS) that eliminates the need for manual line advancement. Its 6.5-amp motor and power drive transmission give it extra torque, allowing it to slice through dense grass and stubborn weeds with ease. The rotating handle lets you edge sidewalks and flower beds neatly,